Please go like, comment, and subscribe so that my YouTube gets put in the algorithm and then I can drop out of college. Let's hop into it. I have all my ingredients right here. Gonna want some chocolate baking cocoa, 10 calories per tablespoon. Gonna want some egg whites, coffee creamer, sugar-free because it's no sugar and it's 15 calories per tablespoon. Ground cinnamon and 0-calorie cooking spray. And some low-calorie bread. Don't worry, I'll be making a list for you jerk-offs so that you guys can remember all of my recipes that I used and all the ingredients. I'll be doing a lot of 15 tablespoons. All right, so then we're gonna do 3 servings of this French vanilla stuff. This is gonna really help sweeten up the French toast. It's gonna make it really good. 45 calories worth. 1 tablespoon. Shotgun a day keeps the doctors away. Next up, so this completely depends how chocolatey you want your French toast. I like mine very chocolatey, so I'm gonna put in 4 tablespoons of cocoa. If you like it somewhat chocolatey, put in 3, a little bit, 2, 1, you get the point. There's no rules. Put in however much cocoa you want. 4 tablespoons of chocolate cocoa, and then each tablespoon is only 10 calories, so I love this stuff. It's way better than putting in like other chocolate powders. So as of right now, we are at 230 calories. That's it. But then we'll have to add in the bread later. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix this. The cocoa kind of makes, the cocoa mix is very annoying to mix. So if you have a blender, this is 10 times better with a blender. Yeah, you know what, screw that. Guys, one thing too, is this doesn't take a rocket scientist to do this stuff. It's so simple, bro. So simple. Keep it simple. Look at this stuff, man. This is gonna taste delicious. Sheesh. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh.
Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. A few moments later.
Let's get it. Sheesh. All right, so this is where the magic happens. 0 calories. And yeah, basically all I'm doing is soaking it in this mixture. That's it. Soak it. I want to soak it till it gets very soggy. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, there's no rules in this kitchen. You want to rip it up and make French toast bites? Do it. What I'm gonna do is, as this starts cooking, I'm gonna pour this into there because there's not enough of this liquid to fully soak another piece of bread. All right, and then now is when I add this stuff. I'm just gonna pour it all over. Anabolic. Protein, pull-ups, and French toast. That's what I live for, bro. Protein, pull-ups, French toast. Ladies and gentlemen, the final concoction is ready. Presentation is key. Ooh. Sheesh. Sheesh. This is 2 servings of whipped cream. Each serving is 15 calories, so there's 30 calories. So let me go show you jerk offs, the complete macros. Remember what I said earlier? We don't track the full macros. Screw macros. I'm gonna be honest, screw tracking your macros. It's all about calories and protein. So the total calories were 399 calories and 32 grams of protein for all of this. Normally, if you go to a restaurant and you get this amount of French toast, this will probably be around 800 or 900 calories, possibly over 1,000. So stop playing, bro. That's all for today's video. If you enjoy this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Guapo out.